There was an expectation, indeed a hope, that something would abate this weather condition as it moves across New South Wales. The fact is that it is not, and we are being confronted with a situation where up to 3 areas are deemed to be catastrophic in terms of the fire conditions, with 90%, in fact 90% of New South Wales being deemed to be severe or indeed higher.
At 9:30 this morning, 10 o'clock this morning, we were already seeing a significant number of fire weather districts in the identified areas already into severe fire danger ratings. We have seen, as the Minister rightly said, we've got 100 fires on the books. We are now dealing with just over 20 fires that remain uncontained.